world is seeing the huge fires in Australia, and the Aborigines are saying it's because they're not following the ancient wisdom, which is to clear the brush and do controlled burning.
Could be so, but the Earth is okay with what's happening, because if it weren't okay with what's happening, it would blow a couple of super volcanoes and put the whole show to rest for 1,000 years or more. So it knows what's happening. Not in our terms. It knows what's happening because it is what's happening. And it's time for it to recreate itself. So that's what's happening. It's running the show. The mother rules.
Would you say those fires are a form of earth wisdom?
Earth change. And Earth will change. Earth is change. There's no question, no doubt about that. And it will have its way. It will survive, it seems. Until there's a cataclysmic collision with another formidable planet. Oh, it's going to survive. It won't survive the sun. The sun has to survive in order for the Earth to survive. And right now it's going to change. It's time to change. As the Mayans predicted. It's changing now. It's not that it's over. Life as we know it is always changing. So it's within the order of things to change. Come and go. See, appear and disappear. It's the way it is. Brace yourself, that's the ride you're on. See, you're here to disappear. See, it's already preordained and agreed upon, and you're on your way.
And yet at the same time, humans have the opportunity to influence what's going on, to either exacerbate it or reduce it.
True,
So,
because they are Earth. So they can work with it or not. It's going to change anyway. But can you be a solution? You can't be a solution. Up to a point, and the Earth will still have its way.
is it wrong to want to change the earth and influence it in the ways
It's not
that...
right or wrong. You do what you have to do. Because whatever you choose to do is part of your Earth's being. So you're not you as much as you're an Earth being. And that means you're going to be moved by primordial impulses to move into which your purpose is here to do. So for those who need to be firemen, they're going to be firemen. For those who need to be musicians, they're going to be musicians. Follow those urges. And as soon as those urges need to change, they will change.
So relative to the earth, then we're in a reactive state, would you say? We are reactive in our relationship to the earth?
As opposed to what?
Proactive? Or...
You are an Earth being. And you are moved, and you will do what you feel is right for you to do as much as you can do what you feel is right you can do. There's no mystery about it. There's no thought about it, actually. This is natural as breathing. Bringing it in and blowing it out. And everyone is designed with their function in its time. And so some who are not this way will become that way. And those who are not that way will become this way, all in a snap. Such is the nature of the changeability of the planet. And everyone has the potential to change this way to that way, or from one level to another level, depending on your function.
So are we able to know what's positive and negative for the earth, or only what's positive and negative for earth beings?
You are the Earth being. You are the Earth. So the question doesn't really arise as a valid question. You are the Earth. You represent the Earth. You are the Earth. The Earth is you. You speak for the you, which is the Earth, because without the Earth you would have no speech. You'd have no being here. You're the voice of the Earth from your perspective. And everyone is so accordingly. Some people appear more right, others appear more wrong, depending on value systems. Relative.
So would you say the earth giveth and the earth taketh away?
The earth is it. It's all about that. It's called Good Morning Earth. I love you. And whatever comes with you. And then it's good luck.